I have a rule that I tell myself and I tell my clients, and that is given equal facts and equal law, the better prepared lawyer and the better prepared client will win the day in court. And that means that if the law is equally on both sides of the parties and the facts are kind of on both sides, then the key to winning your case is in your preparation. So this is just a little instructional video. It's a little bit of behind the scenes on how I prepare for court and how specifically I put my trial notebooks together. So maybe if you're a new lawyer and you're starting out, this will give you some good tips on at least how to get yourself organized so you don't look like an idiot in front of a judge. A few things you're going to need. You're going to need 4 binders. That's a copy for the judge, a copy for opposing counsel, a copy for you to work with, and a copy for the witness on the stand. So don't cheat. Go ahead and make 4 copies. I know it's labor intensive. All right, the next thing you're going to need is, I usually use any sort of colored paper, but I put this in between each exhibit in the notebook so that I can separate what's what. And then the last thing you're going to need is just little sticky tabs. And so I number these 1, 2, 3. And so that corresponds to, this is Plaintiff's Exhibit 1, this is Plaintiff's Exhibit number 2, Plaintiff's Exhibit number 3. You go to court and you show up with all your exhibits pre-numbered and ready to go, you're going to get a leg up on your opponent. And then the last thing that I do, and I'll put this up here so you can kind of see it up close. This is just an index of the exhibits that I'm going to be introducing at trial. And it corresponds with all of my pre-numbered exhibits. And you can see I've got it here, D1 for each exhibit on a list. And then I also put out beside it, on the other side, a checkbox. And that checkbox is to remind me to tender the exhibit as evidence, and then to make a note on whether or not the judge admits it as evidence. So it says admitted at the top and then the checkboxes. So that way I can look down as I go and know what exhibits I have tendered and if any of them have not been admitted into evidence, as in denied by the judge. So that is an example of how you can put your trial notebooks together, pre-number your exhibits, and also I recommend that you come prepared with a corresponding equally numbered flash drive so that you can print off anything else you may need, but so that you are prepared for the day. Good luck.